No music or anything.
Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Look at Miss Amanda and her cute outfit. You gotta show it off for us. Damn. It's so nice. Oh, I love it. You guys, the bestie made it. You guys know Amanda? Yeah. Anyways, this is a weekend all about her. And you don't want to miss this. Look how cute she is. It is hot. The heat has broke here, you guys, and so it's nice. But the shitty thing is that there's no sun, and we were hoping to go tanning. I think we should still go swimming.
I think we're gonna get a tan on through these clouds.
Look at how tan she is already, though. Oh,
Golden Goddess here.
Got my browns on. We are going to Michael's. We are gonna tie-dye some shirts, and yeah, just kind of have a fun little Sunday. It's also weird. I was saying to Nate that it's weird that this is Sunday.
It doesn't feel like a Sunday.
Yeah, Amanda doesn't, she's a hairdresser, so she doesn't work on Monday. So I took Monday off so we could spend time together, but it throws me off in terms of days just because
it messes up the whole week.
Yeah, it just feels like a Saturday, like you're down on a Saturday. We'll bring you guys to Michael's. Oops, going to Michael's. So you guys, we're gonna do a reverse tie-dye kit because this is $50 just to get your regular one. This is only 20.
Like a takeout container.
It literally is just a takeout. So odd. So also with the reverse, we're gonna get like a dark tee, and I think we're gonna kind of cut, like do a little crop. And how cute would that be? I think we're also gonna go to Walmart and maybe get like a sweater, like a black sweater or something. Make it a whole party. We're just gonna do a tie-dye party today. Yay, excited. What you playing with?
This is my friend. His name is Tom. Yeah, he goes into a Rubik's Cube. Tom folds in half. I'm not good at puzzles.
Okay, so we got our tie-dye kit. We are going to do the reverse tie-dye because y'all saw there, the other one was out. So we went to Walmart after just to get some t-shirts. These guys are $8, but Amanda was wearing one this morning, but it's the best color on her, especially because she's super tanned. And we got a black one as well. We're gonna tie-dye, I think this one. And then, do you have the maroon one? So look at these. Thank you. These are a sweet color. I think we'll crop them. Like, but not too croppy, right? That's not... I don't know why I said that.
We need like high-waisted crop.
Yeah.
You know
like,
what I was trying to say?
Like you said, the jean line almost.
Yes.
Yeah. These are my favorite right now. Watermelon, and then they also have pineapple. So we're gonna try that out. You're so cute. You look like a serial killer.
Passenger side of my best friend's ride.
All right, you guys, we are set. We are heading to the beach. Hopefully it's not too busy because it's a pretty cloudy day, but we're just gonna float around in the floaties. It's her side hustle. Floating in the pool floaties.
I don't know how to do anything else.
Sorry. Oh my god. That's amazing. Yeah, we need to get that on a daily. That's like therapy right there.
It was unexpected laughter.
This is so Canadian. We are stopped for a goose crossing.
Take your time.
Staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
what dirt looks like. But yeah, we're gonna make nachos for dinner. Do some individual nachos. So I've got ground turkey cooking. I'll just cut up some veg and see where it goes, but it'll be fun. I tried to wink there. But then I'm like, I don't know. That is cool. The bullseye is cool. I kind of like it. Obviously, we're about to start our tie-dyes. This is super exciting. We're gonna start with the black tees first. And yeah, we're just trying to pick. Okay, we've made our decisions. I just don't think we really care. Actually, no, we've decided we're gonna do one bullseye and one spiral. This is gonna be a surprise if we do this one. I think it's exciting. Me too. Okay. And we are gonna whip our gloves back on. We're just gonna cut them and see how they turn out. We'll show you guys. I'm kind of pumped. Are you pumped? I'm super pumped. Look, great.
That sweater.
That's
sweater
awesome.
looks sick. That sweater.
Oh, wicked. But this worked perfectly. It was easy and fun.
I suggested good summer fun.
Yeah. Catch you guys later. Bam. All right, y'all. We are obviously being, I don't want to even say bad girls. I was just about to say we're being bad and we're going to get an ice cap. But you know what? We're just
yourself.
Yeah, 100%.
We were good all day.
Except we had nachos.
Nachos don't count. Cheese,
Okay.
meat, bread, chippy things.
Tostitos. We had Tostitos.
Salsa has like tomatoes in it or something.
Yes. Yeah, that's true.
Tzatziki.
Mushrooms. You didn't have any mushrooms.
I don't like mushrooms.
No.
I also don't feel like we need to justify ourselves.
I like that. I actually like that. I think that's my biggest struggle, honestly, is that like whenever I want anything bad, I feel like I need to justify it. Like I needed to earn it. And that's wrong. Like it really is. Just have it. We want to have it.
I feel like you only live once. You know?
Yep.
Some might call it an addiction.
Some might call it.
Self-love.
It's not self-care, it's Tim care.
Someone gotta care.
Listen, someone needs to pay the Timmy's employees, and it's gonna be us.
Yep. They got paid well today.
Yeah. What's on the radio?
This is I'm getting a nice cat.
This is Cooper's little dance he's got going on right now.
Oh yeah. This is for you, Coop.
Yeah, Coop, for you, babe. It is Monday morning. Check out our tie-dye. Did a good job, eh?
I love it.
They turned out really well. As for today, we were just eating breakfast this morning, me, Amanda, and Nate, and we were outside because it's a beautiful day out. And Shannon came over and she told us that her and Jamie were going to this place called Rock Glen Falls. Yeah, Rock Glen Falls, and it's like 40 minutes away, so we're gonna head there and check out a waterfall. I'm in a bad mood because she's leaving.
Sorry.
She's leaving. Just kidding. Anyways, see you guys at the waterfall. Thank you.
What a week goodbye that was.
That would have sucked. We're gonna do a tri-coke.
Tri-coke?
A girl is leaving, but honestly, thank you for coming out. Thank you for having me. I'm still like so excited to like edit this. I was up till like 2 in the morning editing this vlog. We're gonna see her in a couple weeks, hopefully.
Yes, 100%.
Good. I love you.
I love you.
Drive safe.
Bye. I will. This car just suits you.
I just wanna love you.